How to convert leads into contacts in Zoho CRM. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Zoho CRM app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to convert leads into contacts in your Zoho CRM account, first of all, you need to go to the leads section. Tap on this leads icon in the bottom. Over here, you will see all the leads that you have added or imported. I just recently created this lead at the top. Now, if I want to convert this leads into contacts, I'll tap on this lead. Now, over here in this leads page, at the top right, you can see the three dots icon. Tap on it. Now, select this convert lead option. Next up, select this create new deal option over here. If you have a deal with this lead, you can enter the descriptions over here, like the amount of money that you'll be investing, the deal name, the closing date. You can even assign the role for him. Once you are done, you can tap on the tick mark on the top right. Now that the lead has been successfully converted, if you go back to the leads page, it will not show up that particular leads anymore. If you go to the contacts, that particular lead has been converted into the contacts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.